Hey everyone! Welcome back to another English learning session. In today's video, we're diving into 10 super useful idioms that every English learner should know. Idioms are those fun, tricky expressions that don't always make sense word for word, but they are everywhere in English conversations. Here's what you'll get today. 1. I'll explain 10 popular idioms with their meanings. 2. You'll hear clear examples to understand how these idioms work in real-life conversations. 3. At the end, we'll have a fun Q&A quiz to test your knowledge, so stick around. By the end of this session, you'll be able to use these idioms confidently and sound more natural in English. Ready? Let's dive in. Break the ice. Meaning, to start a conversation and make people feel comfortable. Example, at the party, John told a funny joke to break the ice with his new coworkers. Hit the sack. Meaning, to go to bed or sleep. Example, I'm so tired after work today. I think I'll hit the sack early tonight. Under the weather. Meaning, to feel slightly sick or unwell. Example, I'm feeling a little under the weather, so I'll stay home and rest today. A piece of cake. Meaning, something that is very easy to do. Example, the test was a piece of cake. I finished it in just 10 minutes. Let the cat out of the bag. Meaning, to accidentally reveal a secret. Example, she let the cat out of the bag about the surprise party. Once in a blue moon. Meaning, something that happens very rarely. Example, I only eat fast food once in a blue moon because I prefer home-cooked meals. Hit the nail on the head. Meaning, to describe something perfectly or to be exactly right. Example, you hit the nail on the head when you said that exercise improves mental health. Bite the bullet. Meaning, to do something unpleasant or difficult that you've been avoiding. Example, I hate going to the dentist, but I need to bite the bullet and make an appointment. Burn the midnight oil. Meaning, to work late into the night. Example, I had to burn the midnight oil to finish my assignment before the deadline. Cost an arm and a leg. Meaning, something that is very expensive. Example, that designer bag looks great, but it costs an arm and a leg. Fun question and answer section. Let's see how much you remember. What does break the ice mean? Answer, start a conversation. When would someone hit the sack? Answer, B, when they're tired and ready to sleep. If you feel under the weather, how do you feel? Answer, B, you feel sick or unwell. What's something that's a piece of cake? Answer, very easy. What happens if you let the cat out of the bag? Answer B. You reveal a secret. How did you do? Let me know in the comments. 5 correct. You're an idiom master. Keep it up. 3 to 4 correct. Great effort. You're on the right track. Keep practicing. 1 to 2 correct. Don't worry. Review the idioms again, and you'll get better. Practice makes perfect. Quick recap. Here are the 10 idioms we learned today. Break the ice. Hit the sack. Under the weather. A piece of cake. Let the cat out of the bag. Once in a blue moon. Hit the nail on the head. Bite the bullet. Burn the midnight oil. Cost an arm and a leg. Your turn. Pick your favorite idiom and try using it in a sentence. Drop it in the comments below. I'll read and reply to as many as I can. If you enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English learning videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Happy learning!